Hey YouTube, in this video I will be performing a tune-up on this car. The symptoms were poor acceleration and lack of engine power. I knew it couldn't be an engine problem because I knew the engine was in good condition. Later I realized that the last time I cleaned the throttle body was over 48,000 miles ago, or 77,000 kilometers. So I quickly knew that could be the issue. In this service I will be cleaning the throttle body, the air intake, the air filter and the MAF sensor. Stay tuned because this service will make your car run and accelerate smoother. Also, this service is universal and will work for most cars and trucks. First, I will be removing and cleaning the MAF sensor, and you can find the cleaners at any auto parts store. Now I will be spraying the MAF sensor from all angles and then let it dry before installing it. As I wait for the MAF sensor to dry, I will now disassemble the throttle body. They say that electronic throttle bodies can decalibrate if you manually move the butterfly. However, when I turn the ignition switch and try to accelerate, the valve wouldn't open. So for that reason I will slowly and manually move the butterfly so that I can clean the inside of the throttle body. Later it should calibrate itself when driving. Anyway, if you have a better way of cleaning the throttle body, comment down below. I have personally cleaned the throttle body in this car this way 4 times before, and it works well. And these are the harmful deposits that make your engine hesitate and give you rough idle. Cleaning the throttle body alone is the thing that makes the most impact in this service. It's also important to clean the backside of the throttle body and also to clean the inside of the intake manifold. here's a before and after, and here you can see the harmful deposits around the butterfly valve. The last step of this tune-up is cleaning the air filter. However, if you have a regular one, all you need to do is replace it with a new one. But in my case, since I use a reusable one, I will be washing and reinstalling the air filter. Here I am using a degreaser to clean both the box and the air filter. Next I will rinse it and then let it dry. And as it dries, I will now assemble the MAF sensor and the throttle body. Once the filter has dried out, I will now apply a few coats of the oil, then let it dry before reinstalling it, and that completes this tutorial. Finally, start the engine and let it run, and it's normal to hear some hesitation and rough idle. That's because we disconnected and connected some parts. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.